In this video, I'll show you how to create a mileage registration in TimeLog. You can either do it through our mobile app, TimeLog Mobile. You can do it on a dedicated interface called New Mileage Registration, or you can do it on the timesheet. I'll show you first how to do it in New Mileage Registration. Now, this is an updated interface, and you'll notice that this is not connected to a time registration, but to a project. So I select my customer here, CHL. We have a project called Test CHL, and I can choose where I'm going from. Now, there's three options as default available. You can have your home address, which is connected to your personal profile. You can have the customer address, which is drawn from the project, or you can have your company address. The fourth choice is that you can manually select an address here. But I will say I will drive from my company to my customer. Now I can select input a value for the odometer if you use this in your company, and I say I will go 50 kilometers, and TimeLog will automatically update the odometer value for the end trip. Now you can choose whether or not this is a round trip, and this we've done so you don't have to create two mileage registrations if you go to a customer, but can just create one and say this is a round trip. So this will double the cost, the sales price, what you can invoice, and the compensation for your employee if you use compensation for mileage. And you can see this on your invoices, or you can see it in your salary system where TimeLog will transfer, in this case, 100 kilometers. For this demonstration, I'll just take it off, and I'm going for a customer meeting. Now, I have to select my car. So either it's a company car, it's in Danish this, but these are all three company cars, or I'll have my personal car, which I named Peter's car. Any employee can create their own car in the TimeLog mobile app, or as an admin, you can create it through the system admin. So for this day, I've driven my own car, and I can select whether or not I want to bill the customer to go there. I save this registration, and that's that. The second way to do it is to go to the timesheet, and I find the task I have on my customer in the fast track. So I just select this. I had a 2-hour customer meeting. Now to do a mileage registration, I open the comment box. I can say this is a customer meeting, and in the comment box I can choose whether or not it's billable, if I have any expenses, or I can register mileage here. Now this is pretty much the same as I showed you before. Go from our company to the customer. Purpose is the same, customer meeting. 75 kilometers out there, and I choose it's a round trip, so I don't have to register twice, and I use a company car. Okay, so our system is set up, so I have to input this. There we go. Now, when I save this, it's important to notice that because I created this mileage registration through a time registration, if I delete this time registration, I also delete the mileage registration. And TimeLog will come up with a warning up here warning you that this will happen. So this is how to create a mileage registration in TimeLog.